I like farting around with stuff. So I guess it really shouldn't be any surprise that I ended up working around empty. This dresser below Mortimer here was an absolute disaster when I picked it up. But I popped it back together, rebuilt the drawer slides, sanded it down, refinished it, restored the hardware, and it's a beauty. And this neat carved chair sitting here. I've recovered the seat, and the rest of it was almost complete. The finish was almost completely worn off. I picked this chair up out of the garbage, and it looked very pathetic. And now it's like new. This is what I do. So I'm going to take you out to the shop and show you just what one man in a tool shed can do.